Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. So from today onwards, I'm starting a new series of tutorials on my channel where I will be teaching you a lot of tips and tricks in Excel. Now these videos are going to be short videos which will help you understand a lot of new things which you are not aware in Excel. So let's get started with our very first tutorial today, and this is a very interesting one because I myself have discovered this very recently. So let's say you want to copy some random rows from this sheet to a new sheet. For example, let's say let me just copy the headers first, and then let's say you want to copy this row, you'll copy this, paste here, come back. Let's say you want to copy this row, you will copy this and go back and paste here. Now this is a very time consuming process. I'm going to teach you a very easy way of copy pasting the rows. For example, what you can do is you can click on this little pop out icon on the clipboard here, and you will see that there are some values which are already pasted over here. So I'm going to clear this for now. What I'm going to do is, let us say I want to copy some of the rows here. I'm going to select this and then I'm going to click on Control C. Okay, you will see that this value has been added here. Okay, and then I'm going to click here and then come back here and copy this guy. You will see another row has been copied here into our clipboard, and I'm going to come here, copy this again. You'll see the third one is copied. I'm going to come here, copy this again. You'll see fourth one is now copied. Okay, so once you have copied all the rows that you want to have this pasted into a new sheet, I'm going to click on escape here so that my selection gets disappeared over here, and then I'm going to add a new sheet over here and come to my second cell and then click on paste all. So once you do that, all the rows that you have copied here will get automatically pasted over here in this particular sheet. So if you've liked this trick, please hit that like and subscribe button for more such tutorials on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.